I've had an email from somebody called Rohi. We'll call him Roger, and Roger's from Belgium, and Roger says, "Dear Tomoko, I'm not very good at driving, especially around corners. Is there anything I can do to improve my driving and hopefully avoid having an accident?" Well, yes, there is. There's like a ball you can put on your steering wheel, which will enable you to manoeuvre much easier, especially at low speeds and in tight spaces, and definitely around corners. So let's have a look at that. Okay, sorry about the camera angle, but I can't get that camera any higher. So what we're doing today is Roger wants to know how to fit one of these driver aid balls onto your steering wheel. So I've had to go and get one so I can show Roger how to do it. So I've slackened this off, but I still don't think it's going to be big enough, so we have to take, there's just a 13mm nuts on the end of these hex bolts. You got a couple of hex bolts which go in the top, and in the bottom you've got, and this is curved in this orientation, so it has to go on the inside like so. It can't go on the outside, it won't fit because the curve's going the wrong way. So this has to go on the inside. I've got a steering wheel cover on here and it won't fit around it, so I'm going to have to get it inside here, which is going to be tricky, but I dare say not impossible. So the position I want it is here. Some people have them up here, wherever you want them. You can have them wherever you like pretty much, apart from where you've got these large joining sections of the steering wheel. You can't have them there per se, but everywhere else you should be okay. I want to get it as high up there as I can. Because I like to put my elbow on the arm and then just have it here. That's where I'd like to have it. So we need the two 13mm nuts and the two, these are like a 5mm hex bolt. There's that one on the go. You can buy cheap versions of these, but I must say I did have a cheap one, which is this one here, but which did flip in and out, so it was quite convenient. You could get it out of the way, but it's very cheap and tacky, you know, €5 or €6, not very much, not very good quality. These ones with the quick release facility, so it's on there and then you can press a pin and release it. These are about €50, but the ones without the quick release are about €35. But I did pick this one up for about €8. second hand, but it was only used for a week, and the previous owner didn't get on with it very well, so took it off. But it was quite a good price. I'm not tightening that up fully yet. I just want to check I've got the right angle with this ball. Just start her up and get the power steering going. It does okay. I'll roll it in a bit more. What does that do? Roll it out a bit more. That feels okay there. It's not an essential thing to have, but it's handy if you're in a truck like this. You'll find that compared to a car, you have to turn the steering wheel kind of twice as much to get around a corner, and which can be a little bit tiresome, having to do twice the amount of turning on a truck like this. So it's nice to just be able to just get around it a lot quicker. There we go, she's all done. So there we go, easy peasy. So there we go. Some advice there for Roger, which will hopefully improve his driving for all our sakes. And so if you would like me to do a little video on something that you're struggling with, then please do send me an email on the address shown on the screen right now, and I'll do my very best to put something together for you. So until next time, remember, keep your wood as long as you can, for as long as you can. It's absolutely pelting it down with hail. Not going to be good for filming.